Hello दोस्तों, welcome to my YouTube channel Be a Programmer में. So today we are going to talk about a very good source that is for earning some good money, that is freelancing. I am going to talk about a very good source, and I am not going to talk about any Fiverr website or Upwork. That I am not going to talk about. A new website is launched in India, that is Rozgar India. I am going to talk about that website, and I will be exploring everything how you can earn some good money. And I will tell you one thing, that there is no prerequisite that you are a graduate or 10th pass or 12th pass to earn some good money here. There are no requirements like this. You need to have some skills, that are if you are good at website development, or you are good at singing, or you are good at video editing, or you are good at some drawing artwork, you can earn some good money from here. I am like giving you that note that you can earn some good money from here, as it is an Indian website. हमारा भारत महान, हमारा keep make in India. We have got this website. It is a great website. So we are going to discuss everything about this website. So let's go to our mobile screen, and I will show you how to use this application, and I will show you everything practically, like how to use this application, how to be a freelancer on this application. Let's start with the video. So as you can see on the screen, that this is the application. This is Rozgar India. I will also mention the link of this application in the description. You can download this app, and it is for free. You don't need to pay anything for doing this work. So I will show you everything. Just go on the mobile, and here you need to just enter your mobile phone number, and you will get an OTP. So I will complete this process. See, I have opened the application, I have logged in into the application, and here I need to do something. That here I need to create my work, the first step. I have no works yet, but I will click on plus button, and here it will ask for different, as I told you, that if you are good at singing, or good at nutrition, or good at anything, you are having some certification of personal training, anything you are having, lifestyle programming type, design, and graphics, then you can earn some good money from here. Then I will click on programming and tech, and I will click on next, suppose, and I will go for website development. A example I am giving you. You can also click anywhere, and you can get some good, anything you are good at. Suppose you are good at website development, or you are good at logo designing, or you are good at singing, or you are good at video editing. Then you can get some good money from here. That is, here I need to enter my work title. That is, I can make a responsive website. I have entered my work, that I can make a responsive website. And what is the title suggestion? Like, you will also get some title suggestion. You can also select from here, and I will just use this title and click on next. And the next step, that it will ask for your minimum service. That is your minimum service that you will charge for making the website. I will enter my service, that is 7,000 suppose, and I will click on next. This is the next step, that you will in how many days you will deliver your work. Suppose I click here 5 days, and what is the revisions? That 3 revisions I will give. Like, suppose you got a website, you made a website in 5 days, and you have delivered to the client. He says that he needs some correction, then 3 times he can ask for some corrections. And the next step is describe your work. Like, you can describe your work here in very simple steps. I will only give an example, that see here the minimum count of the description is 120, and I have entered 153 words, and I have entered some description of the work, that is basic description, that I will make responsive website, and some details related to website designing, and I will click on next. When I will click on next, this work will be posted. Like, this is select the format of your delivery. This is the main preview, and I will also submit for the review. And here is one more thing, that one time activation fees is required. That is only 99 rupees. You need to give that, as it will ask for the one time charge. It is a one time charge, 99 rupees only 99 rupees, and you can earn some good money from this application. And this is a great application, I will tell you, and the link is also provided in the description. You can use this application to earn some good money, as it is an Indian application. I will also show you the website also. Let me show you the website. See, I am on my website. This is the website, that is a basic website of Rozgar India. I will also mention the link of this website also in the description. You can just go to the description and open this website. This is very good website, as Rozgar India. I can also log in from here. The same ID you can use as I have used my phone number. You can use the phone number same and you can enter into this website. And the best part of this website is you can hire and you can become a freelancer, and you can hire also a freelancer from this. As mobile phone has a different application, I will mention the both application link in the description. You can download separate links with separate application for if you are a freelancer, then you can use separate application, and you are a hirer, like you want to hire some freelancer for some services, you can buy some services, then you can use that second one application. I will mention that both in the description. And this is a basic website. Like you can also choose it from here, that you need to go for results of graphic and design. See, as you can see that as I have clicked on graphic and design, so these are the different services. Like if you will pay that 99 rupees, your service will also be live like this, and it will be shown like this, that these are the samples. Your samples will be shown. Like Mohit has a name, Mohit has uploaded some posters, some graphic vectors he has uploaded. Then anyone, like I want some vectors for my business, then I can hire him for 1298 rupees. I will pay him 1298, and I can demand him to make some good vector portraits. So these are the things that you can also see some graphic designs. I can create style, fashion design, many things are there, and different, like you can go also in the programming and tech. See, suppose I want to hire someone that is good at website development. Suppose I want to hire, or I want to, when I will want to post my work, I have shown you on the application also how to post your work, how to post your samples like this. The samples will be shown like this only. As these samples are being shown, the same things will be shown. If you pay that 99 rupees, your samples will also shown be like this. Okay. And if I want to hire this one, like I want a website that is WooCommerce, that is e-commerce website. I want to make some e-commerce website like Amazon I want to make. Then what I will do, I will hire him and I will demand him to make a website for me. That is for the, if I want to hire someone. You can also be the freelancer here also, as you will click on hire freelancer, and you can be the freelancer here, and you can earn some, like he is charging 19,470. Then if I want to buy that service, then I have to pay him 19,000. That is the basic thing I am telling about, that you can earn some good money from here. As you are, if you are good at your skills, you can work here. And here is and in this website there is no so much of rush as compared to Fiverr or Upwork or Freelancer. There is not so much of rush is there, and it is an Indian website. So best part of the website is this. I will mention every link in the description, so don't worry. So in this video, we talked about everything that is about the Rozgar India, and I have talked about how to earn some good money. Like I am uploading many videos related to part-time job, related to different jobs and part-time jobs, how to earn some money, how to get online money or working from home. So this is the best thing I am telling you about, that is freelancing. Freelancing is very good opportunity for you if you are good at any skill. If you are good at video editing, graphic designing, logo designing, or singing or dancing, anything you are good at, you can earn some good money from here. Very good money. I will tell you that, very good money. It will not take, it will pay you in rupees, and you can use them as it is an Indian website. So this was all about the Rozgar India. I will suggest you to download the application from the description, as I have mentioned the link of the application in the description also. Of the Play Store link is mentioned in the description of both the application, that is for the freelancer also and for the hire. If I want to hire someone, that application is also mentioned in the description. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to earn some good money and get some these kind of video and earn some good money, and press the bell icon too, so you never miss an update, as we upload videos frequently related to how to earn some good money and what are the part-time jobs, what are the jobs are coming. We will upload everything, so don't worry for that. Just subscribe to our channel. Please support our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.